Replacing tap washers and reseating taps. Turn off the hot and cold water supplies. Open the taps to drain off any excess water. Remove the tap head as before. Don't be too concerned about small amounts of water when removing the tap heads. Note how this washer is worn. It will only be a matter of time before this tap starts leaking. Check for any rough edges in the tap aperture. Insert your universal reseating tool, making sure that you have a perfect horizontal fit. Tighten with the backing nut. Turn the mandrel clockwise to remove any swarf buildup. This will polish the tap seating. Now remove the reseating tool. Replace the rubber tap washer. Make sure that you replace the tap washer with the same type of tap washer. Now reassemble the tap.